Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be preparing this delicious catfish. So as you can see, this was quite a big one. I started off by cleaning it thoroughly. I used hot water. I just poured some over the fish to remove all that slimy stuff that this fish usually has. So I was just rubbing it gently with my hands. After that was done, I cut the fish into smaller pieces. So for this recipe, I wanted to coat the fish in flour. So I mixed some of the flour with a few spices. I had black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and a bit of salt. And then I gave it a good mix. And then I dipped each piece into the flour mixture to make sure that everything was nicely coated. So this fish is also called mlamba, bombe, mbuvu. These are local Malawian names. And then I had to heat some small amount of oil in my pot, and when the oil was hot enough, I added the fish and let it fry until it turned golden brown. So reaching this far, guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Like, give me a comment so that you get to receive more content from me. So I was just flipping it on the other side so that it cooks evenly. I kept my heat on medium low so that the fish wouldn't burn and could cook through slowly. Once it was done, I didn't have any paper towel, so I used some tissue to drain the excess oil, and it worked really perfectly. And just look at that golden crispy catfish. I served it with some Irish potatoes and the salad. The plate looked amazing. This was a 10 out of 10.